Good afternoon. Let us start the lesson on entropy. It's a very important issue in thermodynamics, and entropy is a property that we are going to understand. Okay, so let's start. Let us talk of a reversible cycle and let us draw it on any property diagram. Let's say we can draw it on a PV diagram or any other property diagram. So this is P, this is V, and we'll draw it step by step. Let us say I have a reversible process from 1 to 2, which is depicted on this property diagram. Okay, and the path is specifically denoted by A. I have yet another process that starts from 1 and goes up to 2, and again a reversible process, and the path is defined by B, let us say. And I have, let us say, another path from 2 to 1. Okay, it is like this, and let us say this is C, this path is C. This is a reversible process. Okay, so now you can understand that 1A 2 C1, this is a reversible cycle, and for this the Clausius inequality will be true. So let us say for the cycle 1A 2 C1, for this cycle, cyclic integral of del q by t must be equal to 0, right? So this is equal to 0. So let us draw it in a broken manner. So I do it for this path and again for this path. So like that, if I can write it like this: integral del q by t from 1 to 2, let's say via the path A, I write it here, plus del q by t from 2 to 1 via the path C, this is equal to 0. Okay, let us call it this equation 1. Okay, now I can have another cycle. Say for the cycle 1B 2C1. This is the cycle. For this also the same thing will happen. That means cyclic integral of del q by t will be equal to 0, and I can write it in a broken manner. So I write it. So del q by t from 1 to 2 via the path B plus del q by t from 2 to 1 via the path C is equal to 0. And here I can write cyclic integral of del q by t equal to 0. So from here, what do we see? By comparing these two equations, what we can see, this quantity is 0, this quantity is 0, so this quantity is equal to this quantity, and this quantity and this quantity they have common. So comparing 1 and 2, 1 and 2, by comparing 1 and 2, I can write integral del q by t from 1 to 2 via the path A is equal to del q by t via the path 1 to B. Okay, and remember this del q is a part of a reversible path. I mean the heat transfer during a reversible path. So this del q is reversible heat transfer, right? So you can see del q by t from 1 to 2 via the path A and via the path B, they are same. So that means if I yet have another path, let us say D, or another path, let us say E. So for all this, by the same logic, I can prove that they will be equal via the path D, and via the path del q by t 1 to 2 via the path E. They're all same. Okay. And what does it mean? That means del q by t from 1 to 2, provided del q is a reversible heat transfer, is independent of path. So that means del q by t from 1 to 2 is nothing but equal to the integration of a perfect differential. Let us call that function s, and we say that from 1 to 2 integration of del q by t equal to integration of 1 to 2 ds, whereby we say ds is equal to del q by t. Remember, this del q is the reversible heat transfer. Okay. Next, let us take another example, another issue where I take another such cycle, another such property diagram, let's say PV diagram. It can be on any other property diagram also, remember. So suppose I have a path 1 to 2 via the route A. This is a reversible path, and I have another reversible path from 2 to 1 by B, and I have another irreversible path from 1 to 2. I denote it by this, and let us say this is C. So if that is so, then if I take the Clausius equality and write in the same manner for the cycle 1A 2B, I can say this is a reversible cycle. So cyclic integral of del cube by t will be equal to 0. And if I write it in a broken manner, 1 to 2 del q by t via the path A plus del q by t from 2 to 1 via the path B is equal to 0. Okay, this is for the reversible cycle. But 1C2B1, I should put 1 also here. Okay, right. So for this path, this is an irreversible cycle. This is an irreversible cycle. So an irreversible cycle, and for this we know del q by t cyclic integral is less than 0. We have proved that in Clausius inequality. So I can write for this path, I write it here, del q by t from 1 to 2 via the path C plus del q by t via the path B. This is less than 0. Okay, let me call this equation 1, this 1, and this equation 2. Now if I add, or if I make 2 minus 1, what do I do? I am simply adding one negative of this quantity, and negative 0 is 0. So that means this one and this one will get cancelled. So what do I have? 2 to 1 del q by t minus, 1 to 2, 1 to 2 del q by t via the path C, because this quantity and this quantity will get cancelled, minus this one, del q by t 1 to 2 is less than 0. But what is this quantity? This is a reversible heat transfer. Okay, this is a reversible heat transfer. This one is an irreversible heat transfer because along the path C it is irreversible. Okay, so this is nothing but integral of del S. So what I can say, I can put it on this side, and I say 1 to 2 del q by t is greater than 1 to 2 del q by t, and this path, this is this side, so this path, I'm sorry, this path I must mention, this path was A, so this is A and this path is C. Is this? So this is the relation, but this path A is a reversible path, so I can replace this by 1 to 2 ds is greater than del q by t 1 to 2, or more specifically I can say ds is more than del q by t, where this del q I am reiterating by writing one term here, irreversible. Okay, so ds is greater than del q by t, irreversible, but ds is also equal to del q by t, reversible path. Just now we have proved. So that means ds is greater than or equal to del q by t. So equality will hold when the heat transfer is reversible, and the inequality will hold when the heat transfer is not reversible. Okay, so we are getting a very important property that is called the entropy. Okay, so from here we can write one thing, that TdS is equal to del Q reversible. So that means if I plot a process, let us say I am plotting it here, I plot a process on TS diagram. So suppose this is the process, this is 1, this is 2. So integral TdS is basically from 1 to 2 is basically this area. Okay, so that is corroborated by this equation. Okay, so if this is so, then the integration of TdS from 1 to 2 is equal to del Q integral from 1 to 2, that means Q12. Whether it will be inside into the system or whether it will be out of the system, that will depend on the situation, because ds can both be positive and negative. Okay, right? So from here let us try to draw a few TS for some of the processes. Okay, let us say if it is an isothermal process, so for isothermal process T is constant, so del Q, mind you I'm talking about all reversible process, right? Isothermal reversible process, del Q by T is equal to ds, so del Q equal to T ds, but since T is constant, so in the property diagram how it will look, say if this is T, this is S, then T is constant, if this is 1, this is 2, so this TdS will be positive, that means heat will be added to the system, so this is Q12. Okay, similarly if heat is going out of the system, then the process will move from this side to this side, if it is a reversible isothermal process. How about the reversible adiabatic process? Reversible adiabatic, this is a reversible process also, adiabatic process. Here del Q is 0. Okay, so integral TdS is 0, so that means ds is basically 0, because T by del Q by T, that is equal to 0. So in that case what will happen? entropy will remain constant. So if this is T, this is S, this on the TS diagram, T will change but S will remain constant, because del Q by T equal to ds, and this is equal to 0. So ds is equal to 0. So change in entropy is constant. Change of entropy is 0. So that means entropy is constant. Whether it will move from downwards to upwards or from upwards to downwards, that will depend on the situation. If the temperature is increasing, suppose for adiabatic compression, temperature will increase, so it will move up. If it is adiabatic expansion, then the thing will go down. Now coming to the Carnot process. Carnot process was denoted in the PV diagram like this. This is an isothermal process, then one adiabatic process, another isothermal process, another adiabatic process. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So during 4 to 1, now if I plot it on the TS diagram correspondingly, so what will happen? During 4 to 1, what is happening? Here the heat was entering, isn't it? This was QH, if you recall. So from 4 to 1, the temperature is remaining constant, but the entropy is increasing. Why? Because del QS is positive, so it will move somewhat like this. This is 4, this is 1, this is 1, and this is the direction of the process. 1 to 2, it is adiabatic expansion, so the entropy will remain constant, but the temperature will drop. So 1 to 2. 2 to 3 was, what was the process? During this process, heat was coming out of the system. QL was coming, if you recall. Okay, so temperature, the entropy, remaining entropy will drop and the temperature will remain constant. So it will move like this. During 3 to 4, the entropy will remain constant, but because this is adiabatic compression, so there will be an increase of temperature, so the temperature will rise, but the entropy will remain the same. So T3 and T4, they must be same, they must be falling on the same vertical line. So this is the thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the process. Now from here, one thing you can see, the heat added during 4 to 1 is denoted by the area under the curve, under the TDS curve, right? And the heat rejected by during the process 2 to 3 by the isothermal process is the area under the curve, this one, okay, and you can see that this integration value is negative because it is going in the reverse direction. I must put this as T and this as S, which I must have done earlier. So the net heat addition is this. So cyclic integral of del Q is basically this quantity, this area under this TS curve, and this is actually the work done, because the heat transfer during this and during this is 0. So cyclic integral of del Q is this. So this is the work done during Carnot cycle, and which has been shown in the TS diagram. In the PV diagram, you have already seen that the work done is this area. Okay, thank you.